In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Facebook business page profile picture. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, open facebook.com in your browser. From there, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to manage. This is important because profile picture changes need to be made directly from the business page, not from your personal profile. After you are on Facebook, look to the left-hand menu. In that menu, find and click on your Facebook business page. This will open the page so you can make updates to it. Once your business page is open, go to the top area of the page and locate your current profile picture. This is the image that appears next to your page name and represents your business across Facebook. Move your cursor over the profile picture area and click the camera icon that appears on or near the image. This will open a small menu with options for updating your profile picture. From that menu, click Upload Photo. Facebook will then open a File Explorer window on your computer so you can choose a new image. In the File Explorer window, browse through your folders and find the picture you want to use for your Facebook business page. Select the image file once you have found it, then click Open. This will begin the upload process. Now wait a few moments while Facebook processes the image and applies it to your business page. The amount of time this takes may vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the image file. Once the upload is complete, check the page to confirm that the new profile picture is now displayed. Make sure it looks correct and is centered the way you want. If the image has updated successfully, then your new Facebook business page profile picture is now in place. This is a simple way to keep your business branding fresh and up to date on Facebook. Changing your profile picture can help make your page look more professional and current, especially if you are updating your logo or refreshing your visual identity. After you have confirmed that everything looks good, you are done. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.